Hello everyone. Good morning children. Welcome back to virtual classroom. Today let us discuss class 7 English Unit 1 B reading. The name of the poem is The Town Child and the Country Child. As we understood from the first lesson that the town mouse and the country mouse, with the advice of the doctor, the town mouse visited the countryside. The town mouse felt it strange and did not like or enjoy the way of life. He went back to his town. Vice versa, the country mouse visited the town side. He also felt it strange and did not like and enjoy the way of life they are leading. So he returned to his home in the countryside. The present poem, which is written by Ian Thompson, he was a great poet as well as a well-known poet. Here in this poem, he described about the town child and the country child. The town child wishes to live in the countryside, whereas the country child wishes to live in the town side. Now, let us discuss what happened in the poem. Before we start the lesson, let us discuss glossary. The very first one is feet. It is a noun which means people who walk in streets. Tram, which means an electric vehicle that transports people in cities. Meadow, it is a noun which means a field with grass and often wild flowers. Castle, it is a noun which means a large strong building. Lane, it is a noun which means a narrow road in the countryside or in a town. Twinkling, it is an adjective which means shining strongly and then weakly. Let us take a look at the summary of the poem. The town child and the country child. Now let us see the summary of the town child. The poet Ian Thompson describes a town child who lives in the street in a town which is always crowded with full of traffic, buses, cars and trams and other motor vehicles on the road. See, actually here, according to the poet Ian Thompson, the town child wishes to live in a countryside, but here he got bored, as well as here he didn't like the way they are living in the town side. He would like to see the countryside. The streets are producing a lot of noise and discharging smoke. The people are busy walking and crossing the roads. The town child doesn't like these, so he wishes to have grass and lamps around. He hates those rows of houses filled with noises. Instead of all these, he wants to live in a fresh environment which is filled with greenery without any pollution. He likes only one thing in the town, that is the blue sky, which is very far above, consists of castles of clouds. He feels that the sky has plenty of space for clouds as well as for him. See here, we can understand by looking at the summary of the poem. The town child wished to have such a beautiful environment in the countryside. He wishes to live in the countryside. Now, let us see how does the country child feel in the countryside. Now let us have a glance at the summary of the country child. In this poem, the poet Irene Thompson describes a country child who likes to stay in the town. He lives close to a wood. The streets are very quiet as there are fewer people in the countryside and there is nobody to play with him. The lanes are not crowded. The boy wants players all around. The trees are too tall and the boy feels lonely. He has the company of just birds and flowers. He wishes to have a home in a town. He loves to watch trams, motor vehicles all around. He longs to see colorful lights which glitters at nights. He would like to have town life. So here we can understand by looking at the summary of the country child. The country child would like to wishes to live in the town side, because the town side it has many trams and motor vehicles, the roads which are fully crowded with the traffic, buses, cars and motor vehicles. And also here he would like to see the colorful wonderful lights which glitters during nights. So this is all about the brief summary of the town child as well as the country child.